Factory, you guys. Just leaving the Cheesecake Factory, and I forgot to actually vlog, you guys. I don't know what the slow car riding speed means, but it keeps showing you guys. I thought the issue was guys, so cool. Ate so good. Right, thank you very much.
Well, thank you.
You guys, I'm back at home. I'm trying to see if I got it working. Let me try to record, see if it start working.
Let me say hi to them.
I think I fixed it.
Hi guys.
I think I fixed it. Can you shut my door? Shut my door, poop. I think I fixed it, you guys, but I actually just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, shut my door behind you. I wanted to actually just see how is the camera gonna work. I think I did fix it from, it kept shutting off, but y'all, I don't know if you guys are able to tell my makeup look that I had today, that I created. The video, I really believe the video came out too dark for me to even post the video, but I still might just post it anyway because I just have to get this content out for you guys. I've been procrastinating so much, y'all. My room is like so big, you guys. Like, I'm in, like, this is my window this far, and like my bedroom is like all the way, like, I'm gonna show y'all my bed. Like, my bed is like all the way over there, so I have like so much room. I also have like this whole area over here. But you guys, I'm back home showing you guys the outfit of the day that I had. I wanted to show you guys, talk to you a bit more about the restaurant because I was so hungry, y'all. I got a food baby. I was so hungry. I was like, grub the food, forgot to record it. But I think I did like a boomerang on Instagram, so I'll upload that. But this is my outfit of today. This is just a romper. Where did I get this romper? I think I got this romper from Forever 21. And it's like pants. And yeah, it's like a romper with pockets. So it's like really cute or whatever. So yeah, you guys, yeah, I'm just pretty much at the house about to get ready to wipe this makeup off. And after I wipe my makeup off, I'm probably going to take this wig off, take a shower, get fresh, and get ready for tomorrow. Upload this video for you guys. Hopefully the makeup look wasn't too dark for me not to be able to upload it for you guys. But like I said, if not, I will be uploading another video on, what's tomorrow, Tuesday, so I will be uploading another video on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for you guys. So yeah, I am super excited to be uploading more content for you guys and showing you guys a little bit more of me and hard work and dedication that I can give to you guys. So like I said, I might pick up the camera for the night and say goodnight or whatever in this video, but just in case, I'm saying goodnight now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, like I said, don't forget to shop Stay Stylish Hair for your affordable wigs. I have all kind of wigs, front and full lace wigs, all textures, straight, body wave, kinky curly, deep wave, loose wave, like all the type of wave that you guys want for the summertime, and like your bobs and stuff. I need to clean this. I don't know if it's my mirror that's actually dirty, which I think it is, because when I record this away, my screen is pretty clear, like really clear. So yeah, you guys, make shop Stay Stylish hair and wigs. This wig, it has been like, I actually just threw this wig on today, as you guys saw in the video, but this is just at its natural state, the body wave state. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to shop with your girl Stay Stylish hair for all your affordable needs, and make sure you follow me on all of my social medias at Stay Stylish and Stay Stylish hair for, you know, great content and affordable wigs. And what else? Yeah, subscribe to this video and give this video a thumbs up if you like more videos, and looking forward for more videos to be coming for the month of June and so forth, so forth. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And my girl, nail salon. Get my nails did. I look a mess.
Oh, you got they trying to do a lot.
Bye.